Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook Lite not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so search Facebook app. You will see Facebook app is here, so click on Facebook app. Now here, scroll down and click on storage. So just click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, so your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Facebook Lite not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.